Hello students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Perfection IAS, and today I am going to discuss a very important topic from your examination point of view. I am going to discuss about men's Booker Prize for the year 2022. The men's Booker Prize for the year 2022 was given to whom? It was given to Mr. Shihan Karunatilaka, and Mr. Shihan Karunatilaka is from which country? He is from Sri Lanka. What book he got this prize? He got this prize for writing the book The Seven Moons of Mali Almeida. The Seven Moons of Mali Almeida. And now this is the information, but from competitive examination point of view, such as UPSC prelims, your BPSC prelims, it is better that we should dig more about this topic, right? So let me dig more. Let us extract more information. First of all, let us discuss this Booker Prize in detail. You see, Booker Prize, first information, Booker Prize is established in the year 1969 by which country? By UK. What is UK? United Kingdoms. Next important information, Booker Prize was given for fictional writing. Booker Prize was given for fictional writing in which language? Fictional writing in English. For the information of my students, writing is basically divided in two parts. One is called fiction, another is called non-fiction. Fiction and non-fiction. What is fiction? Fiction which is based on imaginary things, काल्पनिक चीजें, and non-fictions, I write it down here, which is based on imaginary things, and non-fiction which is based on real things like your autobiographies, like this, right? Now let us understand more about Booker Prize because this is an important topic. From India, who bagged the first time Booker Prize in India? The man who first time bagged the Booker Prize from India is V.S. Naipaul. In which year? In 1971 for his book In a Free State. Then second person to bag Booker Prize was Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie. In which year? 1981. For which book? Midnight Children. Midnight Children. Third person to bag this Booker Prize was Miss Arundhati Roy. Miss Arundhati Roy for his book, Miss Arundhati Roy for her book, she bagged this prize in 1997, God of Small Things. Point number 4. Then in the year 2006, Kiran Desai for her book Inheritance of Loss. Inheritance of Loss in the year 2006. Then the fifth person is Arvind Adiga. Arvind Adiga, he wrote a book The White Tiger, which has become there is a movie also based on his novel, and this book he got Booker Prize in 2008. So this is the peripheral part of this concept of Booker Prize, which you should know because you don't know from where the examiner may pick up the question, right? I hope I have explained this to you in a very lucid manner and you have enjoyed this session and you have learned this vital piece of information for you. Thank you very much for watching me and keep watching for more videos on such important topics. Thank you and wish you good luck for your studies.